Hi, welcome to Tech Rudranshi. I'm your friend Gajanan, and today I will teach you which thing we need to start PHP. So let's open a browser and then type XAMPP. And XAMPP have Apache server. Let's click on first link. This is the official website of Apache friend. Choose your operating system, Windows, Linux OS, and Mac OS, and then click to download. After download, you have to install. And next thing we need to Notepad++. This is a code editor, so we need to download and install this one also. So after installation of both the softwares, we have to go to my PC, this PC, C drive, XAMPP. This will automatically read then htdoc, and here we will create our project. I am creating my project name, where you can create any. And inside I want to create a new file, which is index.php. You can give any name, index.php, but php is important because Apache will detect this is the php file, and we have to run this one. So index.php, we have to edit this file inside a notepad++. So this is the opening php tag, and this is closing php tag. So let's comment it. This is php opening tag, and this is less down, and okay, and php closing tag. In between we will write a code for hello world, and semicolon. So now let's save it, and now we have to start our control panel. I mean, just we have to start our server, because we have installed XAMPP. So let's type XAMPP control panel like this, and click on okay. Let's start Apache. Let's click on start, and then close this one. Then allow, then open a new tab, and just type it localhost / and our project name is web. Just copy and paste it here, and then our file name index.php, just rename it, copy this file name and paste it here, and then enter. It shows hello world because our server detect this is the php file, and we have to run, we have to compile and run this file. So hello php, let's change this and refresh. You can see hello php. So today we have seen which thing we need to start php. So thanks for watching, and next video I will come with new things. Till then, bye, take care.